John here. Little tip, chop tip for two. If you're doing any kind of cutting, you need a cutting mat. A self-healing cutting mat. You can cut on these things. This one's been here for ages, and you can cut on it all you want, and it just heals up. Very, very good trick. But what if you're gluing stuff? What do you do to keep the glue from sticking to your bench and everything? Well, it's a very simple solution. Right here. These are silicone cooking mats. But amazing thing about them is glue don't stick to them. Glue it all up. And wait for that to dry out. Dry out. Yeah, right. Cool off. And you'll see. I guess I should pause the video and come back later. Whoop. Yeah, that really helped, didn't it? There, freeze that sucker. That'll cool it off. Good and hard now, but stuff don't stick to it. So you can just glue your stuff up and it just easy cleanup. Nothing finer than to not have to big mess. Thanks for watching.